Panalo yung chocolate.
First time natin umorder ng Drip and Bites. Unbox muna natin. Yung in-order ko, regular chocolate. So, meron tayo ditong Cookie Care Tips. So, ito siya. Baka magkalat tayo. So, natin. Actual cookie natin. Mas masarap talaga to guys. Sundin yung heating instructions. Sarap guys ng chocolate. Yung order ko guys, regular chocolate lang. Panalo. Panalo yung chocolate.